So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn the problem number 2161. Okay, Leetcode problem 2161. Partition array according to the given pivot. Okay, so the statement is you are given a zero index integer array numbers and an integer pivot. Rearrange the numbers such that the following conditions are satisfied. Every element less than the pivot appear before every element greater than pivot. Okay, so every element, less than the pivot, I mean, be, be appears before element greater than pivot. Okay, so I mean left side. Okay, every element equal to the pivot appear in the between the element less than and greater than the pivot. In the middle, and the relative order of the element less than the pivot and the element greater than pivot is maintained. So more formally consider every Pj, where Pi is the new position of the ith and Pj is the new position of jth element. I is less than j, and both elements are smaller than pivot, then P1 is less than Pj. Like if you have numbers 9, 12, 5, 10, 14, 13, 3, 10, then pivot equals to 10. Okay, so here you can see these are the smaller element and in left side, and this is the pivot, and this is the right side element greater than the pivot. Okay, so explanation: the element 9, 5 and 3 are less than the pivot, so they are on the left side of the array. Here you can see, and the element 12, 14 are greater than the pivot, so they are in the side of the array, right side of the array. Here you can see the relative ordering of the element less than and greater than pivot is also maintained, and 9, 5, 3 and 12, 4, 12, 14 are the respective order rings. Okay, so here you can see this is the import, and pivot equals to 2 and the output equals to this one. Okay, here you can see this is the less than the pivot, and so it is on the left side. Okay, and these are the greater than of the pivot, so that's why this is in the right side. Okay, so here I am going to solve this problem. Before solving, we can see here, so these are the numbers. Number equals to 9, 12, 5, 10, 14, 3, 10. Okay, so here we are taking pivot equals to 10. So 9, 5 and 3 is the less number, and equal number 10, 10. Here you can see 10, 10 are equal, and 9, 5, 3 are less less than the pivot. Okay, and greater than the pivot equals to 12 and 14. So here this is the result of numbers. Here now we are going to write the code. This is the class and this is the function. These are the arguments, self and numbers, the number of the list, and this is the pivot. Okay, here we need to store less number here, and equal number from the pivot we need to store here, and greater number we need to store here. Okay, now for number in numbers. Okay, if number less than pivot, if number less than pivot, so here I need to write less dot append append what? Append num elif number equals to pivot. write equal dot append else greater dot append GRE greater dot append greater dot append number. Okay, so here we can see if number is less than pivot, then we need to append less number here in less bucket in last which I have created empty list, this one. Okay, so equal dot append, here we are going to store here, sorry, here, and for greater number we need to store here and return less plus equal plus greater. Now I need to submit this code. Okay guys, our answer correct and all test cases passed. Okay, bye bye, take care.